Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. We are in our Pakistan studies class. We are discussing chapter number 6, History of Pakistan, lecture number 5. Question number 27 is here. When and where Pakistan did the first nuclear blast? Answer: on 28 May 1998 in the Chagi Hills of Balochistan, Pakistan did 7 blasts. Pakistan became the world's 7th and the Islamic world's first atomic power. Dear students, we want to tell you here, atomic process was started in Bhutto time period and it was completed in Nawaz Sharif time period. So it was blasted. So we have blast seven blast. And secondly, before Pakistan there was no an Islamic country was atomic power, but after it Pakistan become first Islamic country too that have atomic power. Question number 28. What was the 14th Amendment of 1973 Constitution? Answer: the Nawaz Sharif government imposed restriction on party floor crossing by the members of the Assembly under 14th Amendment of 1973 Constitution. Yes, students, Nawaz Sharif imposed restricted that nobody no any member of National Assembly or member of Provincial Assembly can change his party. If he want to change his party, he must go back, withdraw, and he will come back other party's ticket. Otherwise he can't change his party all time period. When the house will still have complete his time period, so he will with them. Question number 29. What was the main cause of General Pervez Musharraf concept of enlightenment? The women of Pakistan had to be brought forward was the main cause for this purpose. They were recruited in departments like bank, air force and police because Musharraf wanted to come out women with men in all fields of life in the government. So he did all. Question number 30. Write 2 important events of region of Nawaz Sharif. First, established Baitul Mal in 1992. Second, an agreement was signed among the provinces and the dispute of River Indus water was resolved forever. Yes, all provinces will agree on his dispute. On his, sorry students, an agreement was signed among the provinces and the dispute of River Indus water was resolved forever. Yes, all provinces was River Indus water for them, but Nawaz Sharif government solved this problem forever. Question number 31. What is Ihtarame Ramadan ordinance? The people not observing the sanctity of the month of Ramadan could be jailed for 3 months and fined 500 rupees. Yes, it was happened in Ziaul Haq time period. If any person don't have a fast, then he must go jail for 3 months and will pay fine 500. It was not today's 500. It was happened in 80, 82, 83 and 84. Question number 32 is here. Write 4 lines of Jihad-e-Afghanistan. Answer: in 1979, Russian forces entered into Afghanistan. Afghan nations bravely stood against the Russian attacks and started jihad. The Mujahideen inflicted heavy defeats on Russia force in every field. The continuous defeats disappointed the Russian tremendously. Russia accepted its defeat and withdrew its forces from Afghanistan on 15th February 1989. Students, please correct it. 1989. This was the end of Afghan jihad. Yes, in this war, in this jihad, America was back of the Afghanistan. So Afghanistan was defeat Russia. So it was So students, today's lecture is finished. We will discuss more question in our next question. Take care. Allah Hafiz.